Welcome to Kuttacha's Finches and Fishes. In today's video, I will be talking about black chick and black brush male and black face split to black chick, black brush female. Now today I will be showing you about black chick, black brush male. See, I can see what I'm holding in my hand is a black chick, black brush male. Now, how do you know this is a black chick, black brush male? Okay, see, as you can see, the cheek marks over here. It is black chick. I'm holding this very lightly only. I'm not squeezing it. And see over here, you can see a black breast over here. This is the black chick, black breast male actually. Black chick, black breast male. And if you want to see the tail marking, see the tail marking. The tail marking will be always plain like this. And the male have always will be red in beak. This beak will be always red in color. And it is a jumbo in size also. Okay. Now I will be showing you the black face split to black chick, black breast female. So now what I'm holding is a black face split to black chick, black breast female. See, as you can see this, the tear marking here. This is the black face female. This is split to black chick, black breast. You can see the tail marking. And you can see the size also. So jumbo size. So I have put this combination of black chick, black breast male and black face split to black chick, black breast female. So in this combination I might get around 3B chances are there, 2B chances are there. This black face split to black chick, black breast chances are there. Normal black chick are there, will be available. Splits will be available from this combination. For getting this combination and that combination, I will tell you how to do it. Now talking about to get this combination of black chick, black breast male, or this combination of black chick, black breast male, how to get this black chick, black breast male or female. To get this black chick, black breast male, either the male should be black breast male or the female should be black chick, or black chick male or black breast female. So pairing this both, you might be getting most of them will be splits, like normal grey split to black chick, black breast. That splits and all will be getting. From taking that one pair, see how to identify the splits. That I will tell you. For identifying the splits, most commonly you can see the cheek patch that will be enlarged. Actually, the cheek patch will be enlarged. The tear marking will be more thin actually, and the flank spots. The flank spot means the region over here. This region, the region over here. No? This spots. There will be a dot, white dots. That dots will be in oval shape. And the tail marking will be having hourglasses. Hourglasses means it will be like this. It will be almost like this V shape almost. That will be in that we can able to know that these are splits actually. And in female the tear mark will be more wide on that. In female it will be little difficult, but actually I told you most of the pairing will be splits only. So you need not worry about that. Just see for that this markings which I have told you. Now what I told you about was about the first generation. Now first generation, the splits when you pair, you will be getting the splits which what I am talking about. The splits which you pair, you will be getting normal grey split to black chick, black breast. Okay. The same with the female also. And pairing this thing, you will be getting around some see if a female is held around some 4 eggs, in that one might come or two might come. You will be getting some like black chick, black breast males also from that. Okay, so I will show you the males and the females which I showed you, the chicks of that. Now I'm holding the black chick, black breast male. No, sorry. Now I'm holding the black chick, black breast male and the black face split the black chick, black breast female chicks over here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chicks are there, I think so. As you can see, there are 5 chicks, all nicely fed by the parents. In this chicks, there might be coming that black chick, black breast male. Might be 3B also might be coming. The black face. Okay. Watching this video, please hit the like button and share this video.